So my hair is a mess today, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna be looking at this amazing, gorgeous, beautiful house. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it, and you're gonna see it. It's so gorgeous, you're not gonna mind my hair anymore. So, welcome to Real Estate Medellin. This is a blooper, but I don't care. Actually, I'm not gonna film it though because it's actually welcome to Real Estate Medellin.info. And my name is Thomas. Goodbye for now. Actually, what goodbye for now? I'm gonna say goodbye for now. This property is actually, it's got a beautiful, beautiful parking space. This area right here is for wood and compost. It's actually really cool though. Well, I can tell you a little bit more about what happened here with this part of the property. This part of the property, it actually belongs now to the municipality. They bought it from the property to make the road a little bit wider. But when is it going to be happening? We don't know. This gorgeous house, this gorgeous modern house, it's got beautiful, beautiful gardens though. We're going to be walking around the gardens so you can see it. I actually do love this garden. Buddy has taken really good care of these gardens though. The lot, as you can see, it's got a lot of trees and a lot of vegetation. It's actually really gorgeous. We got this little path right here to enjoy with the dogs. When you walk around here in this property, you're gonna find that it's actually really cool though because it's got utilized the lot very, very well though. The lot is in an inclined hill though. It's in a really beautiful location on top of Las Palmas in an area called La Esperanza, which is right behind one of the most exclusive malls and exclusive areas in Medellin, which is El Alto de Las Palmas, Indiana. It's actually beautiful though. Look at this. I'll show you more now. We're just going down the steps right here to look at this beautiful, beautiful property. Look at this gorgeous thing though. This is something that when I saw it for the first time, I was actually very pleased with it though. I'm gonna show you another angle about it from it. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. So what Carlos did on this property is actually really cool though. He built this terrace on the slope to his property so he can actually enjoy this area of the property. It's all, see? It's got really good vegetation. It's got really, really good vegetation. It's nice and beautiful though. If you wanted to utilize it and do a vegetable garden, is something that you can also do. We're actually walking right by where the property limits, and we're gonna see beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Just watch. This is the lower part of the lot in the property, though. It's I'm gonna put the details of the property at the bottom. Maybe do a little bit of a voiceover with it, though. This is system for water treatment. Just so you know, the property has really good water treatment. These are called lulos, and the juice that you can make with this is amazing. Now, don't be touching them because they'll spike you. Now, look at this beautiful, beautiful property. The house is all the way up there, but look what I'm talking about. Look at this beautiful, beautiful terrace. Juan did a gorgeous, gorgeous job with this property. It's got really good neighbors, just so you know. The area is super, super nice. This area right here, back there, has got a little wet area that runs through it. Just gorgeous. And we've been blessed with beautiful, beautiful. Look how beautiful that house looks in there. It's got the most amazing, amazing, amazing. And now you're gonna see it inside though. You're gonna love it because it's got the most everything is super well done in that property. One of those mansions that I really love to show. We're at the top of the property. I'm going to be showing you now the rear of the house. It's gorgeous, beautiful. Like I said, everything is so well put on its place. It's one of those properties that you'll love showing. Some details to mention about this property though. All these rocks that you see running along the house, those are filters that are made so you don't have humidities in the property, which is something really well thought of. Still walking in the back of the house. Now we're going back to the front. So you guys can see this beautiful house though. Now we're gonna go inside the house and look at the place. It's just gorgeous. You are gonna simply love it. So after walking around this house and looking at how beautiful it is, you can only wonder how much is this property. Well, the price is right below, all the information is right below, and we're here to give you the best possible service for properties in Medellin. Now, you want to see it? Let us know. You have any questions? Let us know. You have any comments? Let us know. We're here to give you the best possible service about real estate in Medellin. So, goodbye for now. My name is Thomas from realestatemedellin.info, showing you this gorgeous house. Look. Goodbye. This house that we were just seeing, this gorgeous, amazing house in La Esperanza we were just seeing, you'll be able to see more information right below. If you have any questions, like I said, let us know. This property is a gorgeous property. Very happy to have this property in our portfolio today. It's one of those, is located in one of those magnificent areas of Medellin. The area is called La Esperanza. It's right on top of Las Palmas, right behind Viva Las Palmas and Lemont, which are top little strip malls, restaurant strip malls, if you may. So, if you guys have any questions, like I said, let us know. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.